With a community of almost 8.5 billion people around the world using gadgets and tech, and I'm here to show you the top 6 best ever gadgets from the internet which are super incredible to make your life more efficient and time consuming. So shalom to you and let's get started. The first product is actually a soap.
Wait, what?
But for phones, the gadget is technically intended for sanitizing the phone screen and blocking sun rays like ultraviolet rays. And I think the product is designed basically to clean the germs that are on the surface of the phone, blocking every single dust particle to stick on the phone. This gadget is marvelous because not every time you have to make the phone into that soap. You can do it for that 10 minutes and then use it again. But what if I tell you you can watch TikTok for hours and even while doing your work? Well, the next gadget is the TikTok scrolling remote. This scrolling remote not only helps you scroll, but you can even read books. The thing that makes it marvelous is that you can put your device as farthest as much as you can, and the device which is connected by Bluetooth device will continue to scroll the media or any app. That makes sense because if I constantly busy with my work and one of my team members drops a document and I have to read it, and if I don't have time, I can use that scroller. But what about developing a technique to ignite the fire from electricity?
Think.
Well, meet this electric lighter, a fully easy to use and rechargeable electric lighter. This lighter is not a normal lighter. You can bend it to any shape you want, but this lighter needs to be charged, and mostly they can be used for kitchen purposes or lighting a candle. And like this lighter, there are pretty much bendable gadgets available that are portable, or you can carry the gadgets with you. Meet this foldable keyboard with touchpad with Bluetooth connection. With this keyboard, you can connect your devices up to 3 and make your work more efficient and faster. It has sensitive touchpad and mouse buttons. To give you some instruction, this keyboard is limited to using Android devices only, which means you can't connect iOS devices to this keyboard. And if you want something different, you can try this one-handed gaming keyboard which has 37 mechanical keys with 6 hotkeys. And to tell you more about this keyboard, it has 5 macro keys that can be customized according to your wish. It includes a volume controller, Type-C connector, and like that keyboard, it's portable. The next is the robotic dog. This gadget is specially made for students, geeks, or any developer to educate them about how the robot works by joining the part of the robot. The size of the robot is palm size, and you can program this robot to see, listen, and sense the environment. These gadgets are not only useful, but they add meaning to ones. Alright, let's lock up the house. See you soon with another incredible video. Till then, shalom to you.